So hello everyone, hope all of you are doing fine. I am here to discuss in this video a very interesting concept on corporate bond funds as well as discuss on Mirae Asset corporate bond fund. When you buy a product, what are the two most important things that you look at while making the purchase? One would be the price and second will be the quality. So quality is a very important aspect that anyone looks at while making a purchase. When it comes to investing, I think so quality is a very important element that all investors should look at because you are finally investing your hard earned money. So quality is an important aspect that investors should keep thinking about. With this as context, I want to introduce to all of you corporate bond funds. As per the SEBI regulation, corporate bond funds invest in highly rated instruments, and that's the reason why we explained you about the importance of quality. Now, obvious question that will come in your mind is, what are corporate bonds? Let's take an example. A company wants to raise money for either growth or expansion or for its working capital needs. It can raise money through three ways. One is it can raise equity. Now, if it were to raise money by equity, there are chances of dilution of the promoter stake. So a lot of companies avoid it. Second is you can raise money through loans from banks, but usually you see that the rate of interest that will be charged by banks and other financial institutions will be higher. So the third alternate route, which is used by many companies and corporates, is using the debt market to raise money. So essentially companies or corporates raise money by issuing bonds, and these bonds are called corporate bonds. Now when it comes to investing in corporate bonds, and there are so many companies to actually look at, an investor will always be confused. So a way of investing is to look at the credit rating of a company, and there are rating agencies who rate these bonds. So let me give an example. In the context of Indian markets, there are companies which get their bonds rated as on the long-term rating as AAA, denoting the highest rating for bonds. And you also have AA plus and so on and so forth. So as you move down the ratings, you can see that there is risk on getting the interest or the principal component. So essentially investors should try and invest in funds or bonds where the rating is higher, where the chances or probability of losing on interest or principal is lower. Now let me start with corporate bond funds. So as I mentioned in the earlier part, corporate bond funds have to invest at least 80% in AA plus rated bonds. Now, since most of these funds invest more than 80% in highly rated bonds, you would see that the portfolio quality for these funds is higher. Now, what is the advantage of investing in AA plus rated bonds, which are higher quality bonds? I want to emphasize by showing few slides in front of you. First element that we want to showcase is when you invest in highly rated bonds like AAA, the chances of them being downgraded can be lower. If you see in this slide, it shows a CRISIL default study which was released in the year 2020, which shows that the chances of AAA rating bonds going down the credit rating curve is much lower. Now with respect to the other aspect, which is default, which is a company not paying either interest or principal to investors. Again, I want to showcase a slide to all of you. This slide showcases how when you invest in AAA rated bonds, then the chances of default is also low. So these are very important elements that investors should consider while making the investments, which is try and reduce the default as well as try and reduce the chances of downgrades. Also, we have seen a very important thing is that most of these bonds are highly liquid, and that is why investors can purchase and redeem these bonds easily, which makes the impact cost much lower for investors. So we have seen that corporate bond funds which invest in very high rated bonds like we discussed have the potential to give better returns than traditional fixed income instruments as well as other debt fund categories. And this slide just showcases to you how corporate bond funds have been able to generate better risk adjusted returns for investors. We are very pleased to share with you that Mirae Asset is launching Mirae Asset Corporate Bond Fund from the 24th of February till the 9th of March. So we will be investing primarily, which is more than 80%, in AA rated plus bonds. A small percentage of the portfolio can also be invested in government securities, T-bills and other highly rated debt and money market instruments. When you make investments in debt funds, essentially you can make returns three ways. One is when you can make returns through accrual of coupon, which is the yield that the bond gives you. Second, you can make appreciation when the price of the bond actually goes up when interest rates move down. And third, you can make returns through yield compression, which is buying bonds in certain duration where the yields of these bonds can go down. Let me touch on the second aspect, which is the duration. Essentially what we will be doing in our fund is based on few factors which are both global as well as domestic factors. We will make out an interest rate view on the market. Based on the interest rate view, we will be deciding the duration strategy of the product. We would be trying to keep a modified duration of the product between 2 to 5 years in this fund based on our view on the interest rate. The third, a very key important aspect of investing in corporate bonds, or for even like we always know when it comes to equity investing, is choosing the right companies. And here I want to showcase a slide which is on our credit assessment process. When it comes to investing, the essential is to invest or to lend money to companies where the credentials are good. The endeavor is to avoid weak businesses, and that is what we'll try and weed out through our risk management process. So I want to share the portfolio approach for this fund. This slide just showcases what is the entire thought of how we will be managing the fund. One important disclaimer that I want to make to all our investors and partners is that this is the portfolio of approach of the fund at the current market juncture, and the fund manager has the discretion to change the investment strategy within the broad guidelines of the scheme information document in the best interest of investors. Just before we conclude, I want to share the last fund details of this product. SIP is a great habit of investing, and an SIP way of investing is not only for equity funds, it is also true for debt funds. And investors should look at SIP way of investing even for corporate bond funds. So we believe investors who have a 3-year time horizon and have moderate risk profile can look at corporate bond funds for making their investments. An advantage that investing in debt funds provide is the tax efficiency when they get by using indexation benefits. So thank you everyone for participating with us in this video. We would be sharing many such videos with all of you. My request to all listeners is to subscribe to our channel on the YouTube and try and get many such interesting videos so that you learn the ways of investing. So happy investing to all. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.